Hello folks, we are doing How to Handle a Rope by Queens of the Stone Age, voted for by these lovely lot over at Patreon. Tuning is C standard, so your whole guitar needs to go down 2 steps. You can tune to me if you like. And pedal-wise, this has got quite an interesting tone in it. Live, very sort of cocked wire-ish. I think it's the Q zone in use there with some other stuff. But I'm using the skeleton key for a bit of... But to give me that cocked wireness and a bit more gain, I'm using the Great Eastern Effects distortion filter, which I've demoed both of these suckers. So that sounds like this together. Without the skeleton key, it sounds quite full and fat and cool, but the skeleton key gives it that little extra growl. And I think gets pretty close. The solo tone, I would also use the Sadist Fuzz. That's from Square Wave, lovely Swedish company. So, first riff. There's not too many riffs in this actually. This is the main part. So you're going to do that twice. It is subtly different. Let me just take that off a sec so you can just hear it. 3 power chords on the 5th fret. With a little slide up. When you get up here, this is actually that power chord, but with the 5th and the root. So you switch from a power chord to like flatten your first finger, and then either your 3rd or your little finger is on that 12th fret. So then back to a power chord on the 8th fret. Little slide there. And you're going to do a bend and release. 7th fret on the 3rd string. The second time you just add another 8th note. Okay, so both together slowly. 3, 4. Thereafter, you do 13 of the second half. So the 14th time you're going to play a lead into the sort of chorus parts. You'd have, and you're going to go to that 5th fret chord on the 4 ands. You go a little bit early, just before the beat, right? So down like that, okay? So the next part goes 1, 2, 3, 4. And then around again, okay? Very subtle difference right at the end. But essentially, 5th fret for like a bar and a half. So 3, 4. So the second, I'll just take that off for a sec. The second bar is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then you're going to do 5th fret on the next string up, then down to the 3rd fret. And there you go 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then you'll hear this really subtle, but you do hear it. So it's the 3rd fret, and you're going to play. Then you do 4 of these. So you're hammering on to the 5th fret, but you play the whole chord. like that, okay? But with the whole chord. Then that's an open couple of strings, just incidental as you move up 1 fret, and that again comes in on the forehand and hangs over into the next bar. Then you go to the 3rd fret on the low string, right? And that's the first time round, okay? All of that slowly. 3, 4. Okay, and then round again. The only difference when you go around it the second time is rather than going up to the 5th fret like that, you stay on the 3rd fret. That's it. So that would be 3, 4. And then back in. Little fill. Okay. You repeat parts that you already know, so you're going to do 7 of these. And then the 8th time is... And then into the chorus again. Round all of that, you know it exactly as before, and you hang on the 3rd fret. Keep meaning to say G, but it's not a G. But there we go. And then again. Little fill here. Just up on the 15th fret, right? You play that whole thing twice. And then we're into the outro part, really, and there's this riff, and then followed by a solo. That goes. And then you're into the solo, okay? So again, that riff quickly. So just 2 8th notes on the 5th, 7th and 9th. Little open string there. It's the 5th string. And you go to the 8th fret there. Little fill, and again. And then you're into the solo part. So we'll put the sadist fuzz on for that. So that first part slowly is going to be 1, 2, 3. Again, 1, 2. And then the next part goes. Cool little phrase there. So you start on the 14th fret. That hangs over into the next bar. Then you do this rundown. Okay, and that hangs over into the next bar as well. Really cool phrasing. And then you've got... And then a little run up. Okay, so those are the notes. Let's go again from here. Big sort of vibrato in this. Again. You've got this sort of run up, it goes. And the little run's kind of this, 1, 2, 3. Something like that. And then it's sort of... And those are all the parts. Hope you enjoyed that one. See you again soon.